If we follow the news somewhat, we saw that last week there was a new government agreement made with the political parties in the Netherlands. Right now, the information from that new agreement is still rather vague, but I must say that it's very different to what we've seen in other governing accords. Whereas we see that there's been a bit more attention for the Basque Islands. There's also attention for the countries, but there's a bit more details about intentions, at least for the governing term for the Basque Islands. And not just words, but this time, and the key word here is structural money for all three islands. Normally we've seen that, 1 million had been made available, at least for sale for infrastructure. There's been smaller bits of money, but this time we see that's 13 million. Whether that's going to be sufficient enough for all three islands based on the priorities, or how that money is even going to be allocated, those are details that still have to be worked out. But it's promising to see that at least structural changes seem to be being put in place rather than having incidental pockets of money that we've become very used to, and what you see actually into this budget amendment. So I imagine in the coming 2 months, discussions, especially with the Ministry of Basica, because we've understood that they would be the main contact ministry with regards to how the money will be allocated. So I anticipate in January or February we would have more insight into exactly how that will work itself out. But I do say it's promising to see that this time it's structural and not incidental.